Hi, hello, and everyone. Welcome back to Vishnu's Traders Corner. So, in this video, let's see about what has happened in Nifty and Banknifty and what will happen in the upcoming days. Okay, so as I have said n number of times in my previous videos, this is a prediction which was given in December 2022, which was around over here when the market was. So, by the kind of positions which was built over here and here, based on that only I have given this triangle pattern, and you can see n number of lines over here which might be disturbing, but these are nothing but important major reversal levels. So what normally institutions do is they create a position as major resistance, and what we see here from the bottom of this pattern, market kept coming up, minor rejection, gave an indication as if market is going to crash again, and again it pulled back and it broke this resistance and it's the immediate next target. And again they have made consecutive positions over here, and these levels are not strong enough. This will be a major decision point. This will be a major point where any kind of trend reversals can happen. Okay, so based on the positions created here, we can say what institutions they are going to do out here. Okay, so out of all this, if we mark a major fib retracement, market has reached 0.618 levels and it is in a sideways movement, and it's not necessarily market should reverse from 0.618 level. By chance, if market broke this 0.618 levels and if it strongly closes, it can go immediately to the next target of 18,633. So at the same time, what we have seen in Friday is there is a huge rally happened in majority of the stocks, and if we see in the first half there was not much movement in the Nifty, but stocks were moving and many stocks have made 52 weeks high. So based on that, what we see, some kind of momentum has been created here. So what we see here is, if market breaks this resistance, all retailers, they will come to a mindset that major resistance is broken and there's a possibility for the market to continue higher. But what I feel is another major reversal level which is around 0.786 levels, and that matches with the trend line which comes from the top. And also there is one more selling level at 0.886 levels. So these are the major resistance for me at the moment, and it's not 0.618 because it has been already tested twice over here. So what we can see in upcoming days is we can expect an rally which is towards 18,363 and it can go up to 18,559. So as per the current scenario, we are in a bullish rally, and I have marked here it is already a tested supply. So market is coming for the third time, so there is a possibility for the market to make minus sideways momentum and it can continue, and major upside rally we can expect above 18,363 and 18,559 only. So you can hold your positions like stocks up to this level. So what you can do over here is, if you have any position or if you have taken fresh positions, kindly watch your positions and keep trailing accordingly whenever Nifty reaches 18,363 or 18,559. Okay, so what we see here is, like, when the market bounced back from 28th March or else from 20th March, we can see just the bullish momentum which is going on, and by means of even value base we can see 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can expect like it can be a fifth wave, so it can end anywhere out here, and we can expect a correction even if it is not a major crash, not even if it is not a major correction. After completion of the wave, before continuing higher, there is a possibility for the correction to happen. So whether the market comes down for correction up to 0.618 levels, or else even if the market crashes further, it will be giving a rejection from this point. So this is what I expect at the moment. Market will come up to this levels, they will do a minus stop loss hunting over here, and then market will come down for correction or a pullback. Okay, but we can see a huge fall over here, and this will be the major deciding level. Our market is in a major correction, and there is a high probability or possibility for the market to happen this one. Okay, so this is the major view of Nifty at the moment. This is to say whether market will crash or not, etc. So from what we see here, the type of position what our market has made in this level, even if the US market or global indexes fall or fail, the type of impulse which made over this area will not let our market to crash very badly. So what should happen is, this is also a kind of inverted head and shoulder pattern. Most probably I am expecting this kind of structure can be formed in the future, in the near future. Very shortly I'm expecting this kind of move very shortly. And what we see here is also like indecisiveness created in our market, where we have a inverted head and shoulder also. Okay, so it means what? There will be a lot of confusions will be happening at this moment, whether it will be a major down move is going to happen, or else the market is going to make fresh higher high. So market has made both structures at the moment, so we need to wait. We cannot predict everything too early, but to an extent we can predict based on the positions which is being created already in the market. So from what we see here, this is the weekly view. So we have a clear view. So we can see this is a high, low, higher high, higher low. It made, if you see in line chart, market has made a lower low. So based on that, what we can see is, so based on that, what we see here, this is high, this is left shoulder, again neck, and in weekly basis it made a lower low. So if it is a stop loss hunting or else it is a fake out, by chance if our market come to the level of 18697, and if our market is giving a solid closing above this area, kindly have a note of this level. If the market if we have two strong weekly closing above 18721 levels, our market is going to blast like anything. So as I said, kindly have a note of this level. You can set an alert, you can keep a reminder, and whatever. If we are getting two weekly candle closing above this level, our market will see a momentum which it can be very quick too, and it can reach the target of, so we can expect the target of around 21,000 in near future. So as per this, if we are getting a solid closing above 18681, our future targets will be 19621, 20,104, and followed by that 20,798. So these are the levels if we are getting an all-time high. So these are the levels which we can see in near future if our recent high is broken, and whenever we are getting two solid candle closing above our recent all-time high, and for sure these targets will be reached, and you can accumulate your stocks also accordingly. So this is the view in case of bullish momentum. So likewise, we have a long way to go. Okay, so this is what we see at the moment. On the other hand, what we see here, the structure which has been created is, we do have a kind of inverted head and shoulder pattern over this area. So inverted head and shoulder is nothing but a trend reversal pattern, and it has given a solid higher high over here, higher high above the previous high. So what we can see is, this is the immediate target. If we are getting a pullback, it's fine. If you are not getting a pullback and the momentum continues, we can see the quick targets if once this level is taken out. Okay, if this level is taken out in a very short term or quickly, we can expect 18,888, okay, and we can see a very good bullish momentum at this point of time. This is the bullish view. Likewise, on the worst case scenario, if the market comes here and if you are taking a U-turn over here, so as I said, there are two possible scenarios. One, from here, rejection, down, breakout, retest, upside. Okay. The other one, if it fails to hold and if the global recession continues, we can expect the market to happen this one. Actually, if the market is giving a correct or a decent fall at the moment, it will be a healthy correction and our market can go up smoothly. So why I say healthy correction is, if our market is not giving any proper correction as I have mentioned here, what can happen is, following the COVID crisis from here to here, our market has not seen any major correction at the moment. Not even once it has made a lower low at this point of time. And this is the only lower low which has been made recently, which is around 20th March. So if this doesn't happen, if you're not getting a decent correction, and so if you're not getting a decent correction like this, and if the market keeps on going like this, at some point of time when there is a failure of the system, there is a high possibility for the market to crash like this. So being a technical analyst or a technical trader, it will not burn your pockets, but you should be aware of what is healthy and what is not healthy one. Okay, so this is the general review of Nifty at the moment. Okay, so I'm not giving any levels out here. I'll come up with the levels very shortly. I just want to give some idea about Nifty and Banknifty, what is the structure and what is happening at the moment. Next comes Banknifty. So these are the things which I have given in my previous videos, or the videos which has been posted last week. So this is what I have mentioned over here. So same as Nifty, even this resistance over here, which has been tested already, okay, which has been mitigated. Like this was the major one, we tested and fallen, and this was a major supply from where the huge sell was initiated over here, which is around 25th January. So, but market, what has happened is, it came all the way up to this level. It gave a minor indication like reversal or a fall, but it broke and it is standing tall at the moment. So what can happen is, if this level is taken out decisively, if we don't get any kind of rejection from this point, what will happen is, there are multiple ways to plot a target. So one among this will be, so by chance, if our market breaks and holds this level 44,151 strongly, and if you are getting too strong closing above 44,151, like irrespective of Dow Jones or global market, nothing can stop from Banknifty in reaching 45,658, 46,444, and ultimately 47,574 levels. So this is the major bullish view at the moment. If not, if the stop loss for this level is taken out, and if you're getting a solid rejection from here, then that's where we can expect a decent correction, and we can expect a fall towards 0.5 to 0.618 levels. Okay, so this is the overview of the market. So kindly have a look of these levels and see how the markets are reacting, and kindly go ahead with your positions whatever you're holding. Okay, so this is the minor review about Nifty and Banknifty levels at the moment. Majorly US news or the Dow Jones, it doesn't affect our market these days, but still to an extent we are dependent on it. I would like to request you guys to kindly like and subscribe our channel, and if you guys have any doubt, do post your comments. I am here to clear them at any point of time. So kindly post your doubts or queries in the comments below. I can clarify it anytime. So thanks for watching. Have a great day ahead, guys.